Hello, my name is Pranshul Gupta and my roll number is 20MA20044. In my DIY assignment 3 task 2, I had to generate waves and see their nature using the digital oscilloscope. So for this, I have made this source code, and here as we need the output at pin 13, so I have written pin mode 13 output, and then I have defined the three waves here: wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. After writing the source code, I compiled the code, and here it shows compiled successfully. Now, going to the simulation, we run the simulation and we see that the LED starts blinking. But at this moment, we do not know the waveform and the nature, like the time period of the waves. So for this, we connect the channel D of this oscilloscope, digital oscilloscope, to pin 13, and then again in the simulation, go to debug and open digital oscilloscope. Here we have set the voltage type as DC, and the voltage amplitude is 1 volts, and the scale is 200 milliseconds. So here in the green color, as we have connected channel D to pin 13, therefore the green colored waves shows the waveforms that have been generated by us. Here the time period of the waves generated is 8.25 seconds. So this was my DIY assignment 3. Thank you.